Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is once again rejected by this $31,700 resistance, and in today's video we will take a look whether is there any possibility that Bitcoin will start a powerful reversal like already it has started and it will break out the next resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with this 1 hour time frame chart. And here previously we were watching that first Bitcoin broke out the resistance of the descending triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart, and after that on the 1 hour time frame chart it formed this ascending triangle, and here we had the resistance of the ascending triangle support, and here we had the resistance of the next ascending triangle. We broke it out, we tested the previous resistance as a support and rallied very well, and this rally was up to $31,737. And here I was telling you that here we have a strong resistance on this hourly time frame, and previously you can see the price line has been rejected by this resistance, and therefore once again the price line was rejected. I was expecting that after the rejection the price line may move between this support and this resistance of this support was, by the way, at $30,600 and this resistance was at $31,700. But the price line also broke out the next support and dropped to this next support of $29,600 and bounced very well. Now we need to break out this resistance of $30,600 and again this resistance of $31,700. But the real resistance that I'm waiting for, that is a key resistance and the long-term resistance that Bitcoin needs to break out on the weekly time frame chart, and this is the resistance that I am showing you almost in my every video, that we have a key support here at $28,600, and you can see that whenever Bitcoin is testing this support, it is forming higher highs. Like here we tested the support, we formed this high, then again we tested the support here, we formed another high that is higher than the previous one, and right now we are again testing the support and we are again moving inside another falling wedge pattern. You can see that this previous falling wedge was smaller than the current one, and this one is bigger than the previous falling wedge pattern. Therefore, after breaking out this falling wedge, the new falling wedge pattern, we can expect a bigger move because this is a bigger pattern and the stronger resistance than the previous one. But we need to watch out for this key resistance of $33,000. This was the resistance I was telling you that we need to wait for, and if Bitcoin breaks out this resistance, then most probably it will also break out this next resistance of falling wedge pattern easily. And after breaking out, the target for this falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $68,000, but I'm expecting that it can go to set another higher than the previous high. But we need to wait for breaking out this $33,000 resistance. And if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see we are moving very close to $33,000, but so far we are not able to break it out. And if we closely watch this resistance of $33,000 on the daily time frame, then we can see previously it had been working as a support here back in January 2022, and before that here we have a lot of support from May 2021 to here to July 2021. So, and even before that it has been working as a support here, as a resistance here. Therefore it is a key support, and when Bitcoin will break out this key support of $33,000, we can expect that it will turn very, very bullish, and it can also break out the next resistance of the wedge as well. And we also need to take care of this support as well, that is $28,600, because if it will be broken down, then the situation can be critical and more bearish. And if we take a look at the weekly MACD, we can see it is turning bullish. When previously when we touched this support of the falling wedge pattern, you can see it was started turning bullish. We had a nice rally, and right now you can see we have touched this support and it has started turning bullish, and the stochastic is also oversold, and we have also received a bull cross. Like this blue line has crossed up this orange line, and this bull cross and this bullish signal by the MACD are very important right now, especially when we are getting bounced from this key support of $28,600 and the support of this falling wedge pattern as well. So these supports are very this next resistance is very important. We need to wait for this resistance to be broken out. Then we can expect that Bitcoin will be entered in a bullish territory, and it can start a bullish move from there, a long-term bullish move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.